Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to give you a partial tour of Carnival Sunrise. I'm going to take you from the back of the ship to the front of the ship, and then we're going to go on the inside. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this short video. So this is the back of Carnival's ship. Over there I think is the smoke section, and on the opposite side is the adult section. And this is the back of the ship, and this is deck 9. So I'm gonna go up the steps. I'm gonna show you what's up here. They have like a miniature court basketball. Over here they have a track if you want to do your walk, you want to get your exercise in. Over here they have pool table. The kids over there, they're playing foosball, I think it is. Over here is a basketball court. The back of the ship. So there are two pool tables, one right there, one over there. Here you have some exercising machines, I should say machines. And this is your track to walk around and get your exercise in. Burn out some calories. See, there are 2 slides. There's a little water splash, they call it a splash zone for the kids. You can, if you have children, they go over there and they get splashed. There's a bucket, and the bucket fills up and splash the kids. Folks getting their walk in this morning. I go into the gym. I've done a few laps around here as well. It's very short, so I go into the gym. But it's a nice little track to walk and look out at sea. Very nice track. And over there, guys, I think up there they have the adult only area up on top there. And I believe they also have a mini golf. I'm gonna try to get over there. So guys, I'm up on deck 12 and I'm looking straight across. Where you see those palm trees, that's where they have the mini golf area. To the rear of that, they have a basketball court and a rope activity area where you can walk on the ropes. And then they have, you can see to the left, they have the smoking area. And to the right, there is Pig and Anchor restaurant, okay? Or Pig and Anchor bar and restaurant. And then over here is the Serenity area for the adult only. They have the lounge chairs. There's a mini pool over here. And also this is where you would enter your slides. So it's not a big ship. It's not really a big ship, but it's okay. So we've made it to the mini golf area. Very windy up here. we're at the very top, deck 12. So guys, there goes the mini rope activity area. I missed it when I came first and looked at the basketball court. So there it is. You can climb the steps over there and you can go around this little mini rope activity area if you want. It's something for the kids to do, and if you're an adult and you're a kid at heart and you want to do that as well, to practice good balancing, then that would be fun. Fun thing for you to do at sea. So we're back at the ship again. We're at the back again. So there are quite a few pools and jacuzzi on the ship. So I'm going to take you down and we're going to see what else is on the ship.